This is our Doall hand feed surface grinder. It's got a 1 horsepower spindle, 220 volt 3-phase. It's got a 6x12 movement, but it's got a 5x10 Magnalock permanent magnetic chuck on it. Doall's interesting machine because you can put the hand wheel to move the table on the left or the right hand side depending on which side you're more comfortable, so that big hand wheel can be switched. Inside the cabinet is a small grinding vise, homemade but real well made. There is also a wheel dresser. Gonna show you a few things, not a lot to see, but we will show you what you can. Yes, table travel left to right, smooth, in and out, not a lot of backlash. We're up and down. We did check the magnet, it does work. Magnetic V-ball, here's a V-ball, off, magnetized, on. Going to turn the spindle on now. Spindle quiet. This is our 6x12 Doall hand feed surface grinder with a magnet chuck 510 chuck. Thank you for watching.